Hello, good morning everybody. Today I will study about reproduction. What is reproduction? We will read about reproduction. We will know about reproduction. We will study about reproduction. What is reproduction? Reproduction is nothing. Reproduction is nothing, no thing, anything, name of anything. Reproduction, but reproduction is a life process. Reproduction is a process. From which process any living organisms produce again and again new organisms. Reproduction is a process in which any organisms produce again and again new organism. Then reproduction is a process. Just 1 minute. We'll take a chalk. Chalk for writing. Blackboard. Reproduction. SPS class 10 biology. Reproduction. What is reproduction? So reproduction is nothing but a life process, but a process performed by any organisms. Reproduction is a process performed by all organisms. Reproduction is a process performed by all living organisms. In which any organisms, in this process, any organism produce again and again new organisms or new offsprings similar to itself. Reproduction is a life process. Performed by all living organisms, in which any organism produces new organism or new offspring or offsprings. Offsprings means shantan. Shantan, offspring. And we can say reproduction is a vital process. Reproduction is an essential process performed by any living organisms. Reproduction is an essential process performed by all living organisms. Life process, such as various types of life process, such as respiration, digestion, nutrition, excretion, transportation. Just like these life processes, reproduction is also a life process in which any organism produces again and again. Or we can say reproduction is a process. Reproduction, in shortcut, reproduction is a process in which reproduction is a process. Reproduction is a process in which organism or any organism produces again and again new organisms similar to itself. Reproduction is a process in which any organism produces new organisms, again produces. Re means again. Production means to make, बनाना. तो रिप्रोडक्शन एक लाइफ प्रोसेस है जिसमें कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने ही जैसा वो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, जैसे एक डॉग कुत्ता है, एक बिल्ली है, तो बिल्ली फिर से अपने ही जैसा, बिल्ली के जैसा ही नया जीव, नई बिल्लियां या बिल्ली के बच्चे पहले बनते हैं और बना लेते हैं. कुत्ता है तो कुत्ता, नया कुत्ता है ना, और कुत्ता बच्चे के रूप में जन्म लेते हैं, बना लेते हैं. तो कहने का मतलब है कोई भी प्लांट है, कोई भी एनिमल है, कोई भी जीव है, कोई भी एनिमल है, तो सभी में हम देखते हैं वह जीव कुछ समय के बाद अपने ही जैसा फिर से नए जीव संतान के रूप में बना लेते हैं. इसी प्रोसेस को, जिस प्रोसेस के द्वारा, जैसे रिस्पायरेशन के द्वारा हम सांस लेते हैं और हमारे शरीर में ऊर्जा बनती है, पोषण के द्वारा हम भोजन खाते हैं और हमारे शरीर में, हमारे बॉडी में अंग, जितना भी अंग है उसमें विकास होता है, उसमें ग्रोथ होता है। उसी तरह से रिप्रोडक्शन एक प्रोसेस है जो सभी जीवों में होना ही है, और रिप्रोडक्शन इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ प्रोसेस फॉर एनी ऑर्गेनिज्म। Then we will know about types of reproduction. Types of reproduction. Reproduction may be of two types. Reproduction may be of two types. First is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. And second, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Two types of characters are found in average in all organisms. Two types of characters in all organisms are found. These characters are called male character and female character, or male organism or female organism. These characters are male and female. In some organism or in some animals, these characters, male and female, are found on the same body. Which means male and female organs or male and female characters are found on the same body, such as earthworm. In earthworm, male organ and female organ both are present on the same body. This type of organism is called bisexual organ, and in most of the organisms, male and female sex organs are present on separate body. Male character or male organs are present on male body, and female sex organs are present on female body, separate body. Then These type of animals are called unisexual animals. For example, human beings, male is called man. Male is called man and female is called woman. Or male is called boy and female is called girl. Why? Male is called boy and female is called girl. Why? Male is called man and female is called woman. Why? Male is called husband and female is called wife. Why? Male is called father and female is called mother. That means there are some differences. There are some differences between mother and father. There are some differences between wife and husband. There are some differences between boys and girls. There are some differences between men and women. And we can say there are some differences between male and female. These differences are called sex. These differences are called sex. These different characters are called sex. One is called male sex or male sexual character, and second is called female sex or female sexual character. Now, we define asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. When reproduction takes place with the help of sex organ, with the help of male and female sex organ, or with the help of cooperation of male and female, then this type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. But when reproduction takes place without the help of male and female, when reproduction takes place without the cooperation of male and female sex organs, then it is called asexual reproduction. A means absent. Now we will read about asexual reproduction. Read about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. When reproduction takes place, A means A means absent or no, अनुपस्थित, absent या नहीं. A sex means sex. Sexual means with sex. Then it is called asexual reproduction. We can define as when reproduction takes place without the help of sex organs or sexes, then it is called asexual reproduction. Or we can say that when any organism produces new organisms or new offsprings without the help of male and female characters. When reproduction takes place means when any organism produces new organisms without the help of male and female characters, such as a rose plant or in some plant the cutting of a stem, becomes developed into new plant. A single rose plant produces many branches, and cuttings of branches are capable of developing new rose plants. In this process, new rose plants are developed, but there is no involvement of sex organ or sexual characters. Okay, thank you.